know that our world is fighting against the COVID-19 pandemic, but do you know that there is another pandemic which is silently creeping in and affecting our kids? Yes, my friends, that is an eye condition called myopia. So, what is myopia? Myopia is an eye condition where the affected individual cannot see the distant objects clearly. So, it is also called nearsightedness. The affected individual needs a pair of glasses with minus power to see the distant objects clearly. Myopia generally starts in the early childhood and progresses up to the age of 20 to 30 years till the power gets stabilized. Myopia has its own set of complications and it is one of the leading causes of visual impairment. Presently, the incidence of myopia is increasing very rapidly. Today, more than 34% of world's population is affected with myopia, and if it increases so rapidly, by the year 2050, it will cross more than 50% of the world's population. But why the incidence of myopia and its progression is increasing so rapidly? This is because the lifestyle of our kids have changed so much during the past few years. Especially during the pandemic situation. Our kids are doing online classes, they are using electronic gadgets more and more, they are spending most of their time inside the room, and their outdoor activities have reduced significantly. And all of these have contributed to the increased incidence of myopia and its progression. So what to do? Here are few tips for the parents. Firstly, please restrict the screen time of your kids as much as possible. They have to do the online classes, but do not let them use the electronic gadgets without necessity. Please include at least 30 minutes of outdoor activities in the daily routine of your kids, though it is difficult during the pandemic situation. Try to use 20-20-20 rules during the screen time. After 20 minutes of screen time, let them look at 20 feet distance for 20 seconds, thereby relaxing their eyes. And last but not the least, do not forget to consult your pediatric ophthalmologist once or twice a year so that your kids' thorough eye checkup is done. I would like to conclude my talk with a positive note that we have found out a way to halt the progression of myopia. That is, if you use low-strength atropine eye drop for a longer period, it can halt the progress of myopia significantly. But your doctor is the best judge to decide whether your kid needs it or not. Thank you. Stay safe.